Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AFAQ New Iqbal Series Student Resource Pack. Keep learning at home. Mathematics Grade KG. Academic Planner Unit 1 and 2. Major Concept: Biggest and Smallest. Resource Pack Concept: Circle the smallest object in each. Let's start from the first picture. Good. Strawberry is the smallest, so circle it. Good. Now move to the next picture. Good. Duck is the smallest, so circle it. Good. Now move to the next picture. Good. Marble is the smallest, so circle it. Good. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Cross out the biggest object in each. Let's start from the first picture. Good. The school bag is the biggest. Cross out it. Good. Now we move to the next picture. Good. Sofa is the biggest, so cross out it. Good. Now next picture. Good. Box is the biggest, so cross out it. Good. Now we move to the next major concept, longest and shortest. Resource pack concept: color the longest object blue and the shortest object green in each. Let's start from the first picture. Good. The second spoon is longest. Color it blue. Good. And the third spoon is shortest. Color it green. Good. Now move to the next picture. Good. The first pencil is longest. Color it blue. Good. And the second pencil is shortest. Color it green. Good. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Draw something longer than the paper clip but shorter than the toy train. Good. Now we move to the next major concept, heaviest and lightest. Resource pack concept: cross out the heaviest object and circle the lightest one in each. Let's start from the first picture. Good. Rhinoceros is the heaviest. Crossed out it. And the snail is the lightest. Circle it. Good. Now move to the next picture. The truck is the heaviest. Crossed out it. And the cycle is the lightest. Circle it. Good. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Draw something heavier than the sharpener but lighter than the bag. Good. Now we move to the next major concept, widest and narrowest. Resource pack concept: cross out the widest object and circle the narrowest one in each. Let's start from the first picture. Good. The bucket is the widest. Cross out it. And the glass is the narrowest. Circle it. Good. Now move to the next picture. Good. The glass vase is the widest. Cross out it. And the black jar is narrowest. Circle it. Good. Now we move to the next major concept, hot and cold. Resource pack concept: cross out the hot objects and circle the cold ones. Good. The matchstick, wood fire and candle is crossed out and ice cream is circled. Good. Now we move to the next major concept, hard and soft. Resource pack concept, tick the soft objects and circle the hard objects. Good. T-shirt and rose are soft objects, mark tick on them, and wood and pineapple are hard objects, circle them. Good. Now we move to the next resource pack concept, observe the length and fill in the blanks. The first blank is the pencil box is dash pencil clips long. Good. The pencil box is 5 paper clips long. Next, the board is dash hand spans long. Good. The board is 8 hand spans long. The mat is dash footsteps long. Good. The mat is 5 footsteps long. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Measure the length and then fill in the blanks. The measurement tools are hand span, footstep, paper clip and pencil. Question 1. My mathematics book is dash paper clips long. Good. My bed is dash hand spans long. Good. My bedroom's door is dash hand spans long. Good. My bedroom's wall is dash footsteps long. Good. My pencil is dash paper clips long. Good. My table is dash pencil long. Good. Now we move to the next resource pack concept, observe the weight and fill in the blanks. The toy duck weighs dash blocks. Good. The toy duck weighs 4 blocks. Next, the cupcake weighs dash blocks. Good. The cupcake weighs 2 blocks. Next, the peach weighs dash blocks. Good. The peach weighs 5 blocks. Now we move to the next resource pack concept, observe the weight and fill in the blanks. First question. The ball weighs dash pebbles. Good. The ball weighs 7 pebbles. Next, the cookie weighs dash pebbles. Good. The cookie weighs 3 pebbles. Next, the cape weighs dash pebbles. Good. The cape weighs 4 pebbles. Great. You have done a great job.